Hello everyone, and welcome back to Binance Doctor. In today's video, we're diving into the Bitcoin daily chart to understand what's really happening right now, and how far Bitcoin could potentially drop based on technical patterns and market structure. And also, we will update about today, VIP results, so wait for the end of video. Let's get straight to it. Currently, Bitcoin is showing signs of exhaustion after an extended rally. On the one-day chart, we can clearly identify a rising wedge pattern, which is a classic formation that often signals potential reversals or deeper corrections. If this pattern continues to hold, we could see Bitcoin facing strong resistance around the $110,000 to $111,000 zone, a level that has formed a possible double top. This type of structure usually means that buyers are losing strength, while sellers are slowly stepping in. Now, if Bitcoin fails to maintain its momentum and breaks down below the rising wedge support, a 30% correction would not be surprising. That could bring the price down toward the 100 to 103,000 zone, which is the next major area of demand based on previous trading volume. If the bearish momentum accelerates and Bitcoin loses support below 100,000, we could potentially see a continuation down to the 85 to 75,000 range over the coming weeks. This range represents deeper historical liquidity and a possible long-term accumulation zone. However, keep in mind, the macro trend remains bullish. This kind of correction, if it happens, could actually be healthy for the market, shaking out weak hands and resetting indicators before another potential leg up. We've been tracking and analyzing these structures for over 5 years, and our goal is always to provide clear, data-driven insight, not hype or speculation. If you want to see real analysis, past results, and how we approach the market every day, check out our free Telegram group linked in the description. And for those ready to take their trading to the next level with deeper insights, you can message Binance Doctor for details about our VIP access.
You can start by joining our free Telegram group link in the description to follow our updates, market insights, and educational posts. Come check out what we're doing and see how we support our members with valuable learning and trade ideas.
And this content is for educational purposes only, and this is not a financial advice.